Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from photo really easy only with Instagram application. So first thing that you have to do now is just go open your Instagram application, and whenever you open it now you just need to create or visit the Instagram story section by go click this plus blue button right here. And now they will be bring you into your photo library, and you just need to pick which picture containing emoji that you want to remove. So if you want to fulfill all of the screen with this picture, just go click like this. And after that, you just need to go click this three small dot on the top right corner, go click draw, and please choose this pen. But before you draw it, make sure that you're already adjusting the size with the bigger size by drag this part into the upper side. And for the next thing you need to do is just pick the color, just to make sure that you have the same tint with the background. And after you're done, you just need to start scratching, and you can see the emoji is disappeared. Now you just need to click done and download this picture. So that's the way how to remove emoji from photo only with Instagram application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe me to this channel, and I will see you for the next video.